Summary of the letter. This letter is totally based on the resolution passed by Congress. This resolution was in the favor of Muslim because it confirms the fundamental rights of Muslims. Allama Iqbal was not satisfied from these resolution, and this shows that how much he was pensive and visionary. Why Iqbal was not satisfied from the resolution? Because Iqbal thinks that the Congress want to betray Muslims and to stop the Muslim League activities and struggle for freedom. Discourse analysis, line by line. Your move in time has saved the situation, and we are all waiting for your observations on the Congress resolution. That time Quid met with some of the Muslim and Congress leaders, and the resolution passed by Congress was the consequences of these meetings. The next line, we are all, shows the leadership and decision-making power of jinnah, because that time other Muslim leaders were also present, but Iqbal thinks that only jinnah can make the keen observation and decision. The Tribune of Lahore has already criticized it, and I believe Hindu opinion will generally be opposed to it. The Tribune was Muslim-based newspaper, begins its first publication in 1881. This newspaper strongly criticized the resolution because Tribune's editor's thinking was same as that of Iqbal. In the next line, Iqbal believes that soon Hindus will also oppose it because they don't want to give freedom and liberty to the Muslims. However, it should not act as an opiate as far as Muslims are concerned. Iqbal is much more poetic and much more elegant in this line. He uses opiate as a simile and can be defined as a drug containing or derived from opium and tending to induce sleep and alleviate pain. According T.P. Iqbal, the resolution will not act as a opium, which sleep the Muslims and stop their activities and struggle for freedom. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe my channel.